anyways, let's go do some farm chores. Gorda. They're just getting up. Take out the ducks. Well, actually, these are gooses. These are the gooses that this girl hatched. These are they're super cute. They're getting so big. Okay, now let's open my older girls. See if they'll come out. Yep, they will. Let's take my younger chickens out. 1, 2, and 4. These are the only ones that will come out since they are still little. The other ones, I just got me some new chickens. You can just see I got me some 6 new chickens. They're super cute. It's finally out. Pretty much we're gonna grab the leftover that I have in here. Just pour it in here. In here. Put this back in here. We're gonna let everybody out because so they can drink their water. Also wanted to show you some of my new chickens that I recently bought. I have this type of chicken breed. I'm not sure of the breed yet, but I know it, but I forgot it. But anyways, so this is her. This is so cute. I do not have any names for the 2 smaller piglets as well as my new chicken, so comment down below if you have any names for my animals, because that will actually save me a lot of time of thinking. Also, one of my other breeds that I finally